country-ish
That
anymore.
country. And I've got a Crown Royal hat. Okay, cue me a bit.
Shotgun with my head in the front seat of his car. He's got a one-hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my I look around, turn the radio down. He says, baby, is something wrong? This ain't nothing. I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he said, our song is to play a screen.
Stop music. Yeah. So my name's Darla, and
I'm Sally.
yeah. Sally's had a little. Yeah. So today on our show, we just like to say thank you.
Thanks a
Sally?
lot.
Yeah. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Sally sometimes forgets her manners. Yeah.
Excuse me.
We have these nice hick friends of the jungle. My accent just doesn't.
I forgot mine.
Yeah. So, I like Dolly Parton. I think so.
She wants to
Yeah. Ignore the stupid idiots behind us because
They're the twerps.
They're
In our other
retarded.
video, you know, we couldn't find the twerps. We finally found them. There they are. And they're stupid.
Stupid! Stupid.
Oh my god.
This tickles me pink.
I want to
Hey,
be
people.
purple.